Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning in. This is a continuation of the workflow from PIX4D to civil surface. So our initial processing just completed, and now let's go ahead and import our GCPs. And remember that we did this with the northing, easting, and then ellipsoid height. And so we'll go ahead and add in our marks. Once they're added, we can go ahead and visualize them. So we can just make sure that they are correct and at the right elevation, and they are. They should be with the 0 geoid. Now all that we need to do is just quickly verify that our PPK from our accurate drone is in the correct place. Everything seems to line up really well. I just recommend going through each point and just doing a quick verification. Essentially, these GCPs are basically just a check with a high-end drone like this. Don't think I could mark them any better, and I don't think that it's worth the time to rerun the initial step of processing just to correct that. So we're going to go ahead and run the 2 and 3, and then we'll get into the next part.